Normally, at the end of the holidays, there are a lot of greeting cards and envelopes that end in the trash. But this is not our case because in today's episode, I'm going to rescue one of the unused envelopes to add an extra space for journaling in my junk journal, which also is going to provide extra space for secret notes, cards, or tags. Welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and let's start. As you might notice, the size of this envelope is perfect for this journal. Luckily, they come in different sizes, so I'm pretty sure that there is always going to be an envelope of the size you need for your junk journal. I was playing around with the layout and how I wanted the page to look, so I knew I didn't want to have this double crease in here, so I remove it to cut the extra paper. I'm going to make this page to look a bit more unique using this beautiful part of a card. I decided to move on to something different, so this is a pre-made card that I cut a long time ago, and I keep it because I think that is beautiful and I can overlap it, and I want it to be original. So I didn't actually glue this part of the card over the envelope to lay out on it, but I traced and cut a square. Technically, this entire page works also as a pocket. I have to think about what it is that I would include inside it. I was going to glue the card on top of this square that I cut, but then I realized that the background of the envelope is white. So I decided to try to put it on some foam that I have around here. So I'm gonna try on the yellow, green, red, and purple and see over which one is gonna look better. And then stay in this video because on this little window that I'm opening in here, I'm gonna glue some lace on the back to create something different and something that is going to look really, really cool. Let's see what is gonna happen. As you can see here, I decided to use the green. I think that is the perfect tone for this beautiful image that I've been keeping like for a long time because I think it's beautiful. It's between a lace, gold, and that clear paper gives the piece of art a beautiful image and tones. So I just have to add glue, and I'm gonna put it on the front of the envelope because I want to leave a little space in which I can do some journaling to the left. As I always say, the paper goes wherever we need, because as you can see, this is about kids and angels taking care of the kids, and then I have another angel on the envelope. So it was a perfect card for the perfect spot. Now I have to solve the situation of my first idea I had with the window. I opened it and it didn't work. So there is always a solution, and in this case I'm going to use this beautiful lace that, as you can see, have roses in it, and I love the color. And on the background, and if you can see there to the left, I have another rose. So it's again the perfect piece or lace that I was needing for this other spot that is gonna come out really, really nice. So as you can see here, there is always time to create and to bloom with our creativity and with the different things we can have inside our journals. If you're interested in more episodes like this one, I'm gonna link all of them down below. And as you may know already, I'm working on another journal, but I'm doing it in separate signatures. So my last step is going to be adding a cover. And for this one, for this signature particularly, I use this card which I don't like the message on it, so I'm using again another envelope to create a little flap or a little piece that can go and cover that message that I don't like at all. And I choose this envelope because it has like the same pink tone again like the lace I'm using on the border here, and the butterfly has the same yellow like the background where the flowers are. So this again shows us the paper goes wherever we need it to go. So if you like this episode and you want to keep watching more and more about filling pages and embellishing pages and making ephemera, please go ahead and click in these two episodes I'm gonna leave here at the end of the video. And also don't go away without leave me a thumbs up, and if you like it and if you enjoy it, stay to the end, then go ahead and subscribe. You can click my picture or the icon that says subscribe here in this corner down below this episode. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next creative video, and I hope to see you there. Bye friends, have a great time. Bye bye friends. Bye.